Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got today. Now, it arrived today, and honestly it actually arrived yesterday, but I wanted to unbox it today. And I'm actually excited to share it with you guys. For like how many times, like it shows up every time, but it's so expensive, like really expensive, just because this is a unique piece. So it's really expensive, but I found it in Lazada and I really got a good deal out of it. So yeah, it comes in this bag. It's small, it's smaller than expected, and I want you guys to comment down below on what bag it is. Sorry if it's really noisy, but I am near the window because natural lighting is important. But yeah, I'm actually very excited to share it with you guys. It's also, again, it's also an Hermes dupe, but it's different and it has a twist to it. I don't know if a lot of people would like it, but for me, I think it looks good because of how I often dress up. So here it is. So obviously it's you already know because it's this one handle on top. It's top handle, it's a Kelly. But yeah, I'll reveal it to you guys. Ta-da! Okay, it's a dupe for an Hermes Kelly, but in a Himalayan finish. Oh my god, if you can see that, it's just beautiful. Like, oh yeah, it's obviously it's really sturdy, it's thick, and there's stuffing inside. So here is the bag. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at the details there. Just open it. There. Here's the long strap. Then you attach this here. And then the other one. Attach it right here. And here's your Kelly bag. There. And yeah, there's the zipper pocket there. Yeah, here's the bag. It's a pretty nice bag. It's sturdy. It has 4 feet as well. So it has 4 feet as well, and it's covered, protected, and it's obviously gold hardware. Yep, it's gold hardware. So here's the bag. So I'll be linking it down below where I got this. I'm not sure if it's still on sale when I post this. Hopefully it is. I will post it if ever it's on sale, and I will make sure to link it to you guys. Yeah, so here's the bag. Now, if you want to see other dupe bags for this, please comment it down below. Comment on what type of bag you want me to look for, and I'll find a dupe for it. Whether it's LV, Louis Vuitton, or Hermes, or Chanel, I will be happy to link them down or look for them. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like our surprise about the bag. Now, this is hard to find because usually I found this for like $2.5 for this kind of belt bag because of the Himalayan pattern or Himalayan finish. But yeah, I might put a twilly here because it's, you know, kind of wide and I don't want it finished. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please comment and please like and subscribe down below. Comment also on the bags that you want to see, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! See ya!